Bitvae sent me their D2 electric toothbrush for my review, and I'm going to open it up for the first time, see what it comes with, and we're actually going to test it out. Right off the bat, absolutely love the packaging. I'm a huge fan of orange. Ooh, look at that. Look how many brush heads. I think I read that it comes with like 8 of them, which is absolutely fantastic. So I think this is the toothbrush holder. So this is really cool too. So as you can see, you've got the M3 tape on here. So basically what you can do is in your bathroom, I mean, this is in the way, but you can tape this up here and then just have your toothbrush standing wherever you decide to put it. And I do like then that your toothbrush head will constantly be covered. So that is a huge plus. So this is obviously the holder. And then of course, I like that it comes with an actual case. So obviously when you are traveling, you've got somewhere to put your toothbrush. You often don't see them coming with cases. So that is fantastic. So let's go ahead and open one of these up, and then we're going to turn it on, check it out, try it out. Man, the fact that it comes with 8 of them, that is so unheard of. Ooh, look at the toothbrush head. So you've got your nice little tongue scrubber there on the back. And then, wow, look at those bristles. So then, of course, you've got the shorter ones. You've got the longer ones here on the side. These ones are going to be really great to getting, you know, in between your teeth. And so let's just go ahead. Okay, so you got to put down, click, and then slide. Obviously, this is right out of the box. I have not charged it. Let's see if it has any. Oh, it definitely does have some juice to it. So I turned it on, and I'm assuming, do I cycle through these? Yes. So just click through. So now we're on soft, we're on polish. Well, you could see it's definitely, you can feel the difference there. It's kind of vibrating, pulsating there. And then we have the, oh, and then that one went off. So yeah, so it's back onto the polish now. Yeah, you have your gum care. Very cool. Okay, so I'm just going to try it on the white. Let's go ahead and put some toothpaste on there, see how that feels. I love a new toothbrush. I like how like thin it is. Feels really good in your hand. You got a really nice grip on there. And yep. I like that it's actually a larger toothbrush head. And larger, I just mean like the bristles. I feel like you have a lot more bristle space here than a lot of the toothbrushes that you see. So it's really nice. So like this part here is actually not too large for your mouth, but the fact that you have all these bristles, I feel like it's giving you that really nice whole mouth clean. So yeah, if you are looking for a brand new toothbrush, especially like for travel, I love how sleek this one is. This one is fantastic.